Andrea, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be so fun to do like a luxury items wish list. And you know, it's just one of those things that's just like, since I can't afford the items, I thought it would be really fun to just give you guys a wish list of items that I really want. So let's just jump into it. So when I think of being able to afford luxury items, my mind automatically goes to bags and shoes. I really feel like I am one of those people that even if I had like money, I probably wouldn't splurge on like clothes that were necessarily really expensive, but my mind just automatically goes to like bags and shoes, if nothing else into it. So my first item for shoes would be, I actually have, and it is just a classic pair of Chanel ballet flats, like the classic ones that are like tan and black, and I actually have them. But as you can see, they are so beat up and worn out, and that's because they were hand-me-downs. These were actually my sister's shoes, and when I got them, they were already beat up, and I just like wore them out so much, and now they are even more beat up. But I love these shoes, and I would love to have another pair if I could afford them. A pair of shoes, which is just the Chanel espadrille, and actually the same color. So the Chanel espadrilles, again, are just a timeless shoe. Some people will be like, why do you want like the ballet flat and the espadrille in the same color? Basically, they have the same look, the same style, or not the same style, but the same, you know, color kind of look to it. But honestly, they are two completely different shoes. Your ballet flats, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. Your espadrille, kind of more of a dress down situation, you know what I'm saying? So it's like very cute, like vacation getaway, beach getaway. Slip on your espadrilles and a t-shirt and a pair of jeans, and you can go out the door, even a dress. So I really think both of them are staples in any shoe collection. I feel like they both are different looks to them, even though they're kind of the same colors. Like I would get them both in like the classic tan and black, because that's just so elegant, so timeless, so classic, so Chanel. And yeah, so love a classic Dior shoe. And I don't know what the style of the shoe is called, but it is just that classic classic J'adore, or is it J'adore slingback heel. And for me, the shoe is just absolutely stunning, you guys. Oh my gosh, it comes in like 3 different heel heights, and you can also get the sort of like ballet Dior-C, I think they call them like Dior-C flat style as well. If I could, I would get that shoe in like all 3 styles. I would have the highest heel, and then I would have the kitten heel, and then I would have the Dior-C flat. But since I can only pick one, I would most definitely go with the higher heel. I just think this shoe is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful, and I feel like it would go with so many different pieces. Stunning. But yeah, I would probably go for just like the classic sort of black pair, and yeah, so cute. Okay, so the 4th shoe that I would get is actually just a little bit kind of, I feel like I should say, 4th shoe that I would pick would actually be Manolos. And it is the style, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Hangisi. It's Hangisi, I believe. I'll have to check on that. But it is just a classic pointed toe Manolo with this really beautiful embellishment in the center. Picture. So beautiful. I think this shoe is just timeless. It's classic. As much as it's a more dressier shoe, I do feel like it can be dressed down too. So like, I think there's just something like this outfit, this image in my head of myself wearing this white button up and like loose fitted pair of light colored mom kind of style jeans and a beautiful pair of blush kind of nude toned Manolos. That picture, you guys, is just so cute, so stunning. My fifth shoe pick is actually a pair of Gucci loafers. And I love, at first I used to really love the ones with the fur on the back, but I feel like that's a little bit played, you know? It's 2020. So I would probably just get the classic pair of loafers with the heel out. I think they're just super easy, classic, again, timeless. Again, it's just a shoe that you can just slip on with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt and be out the door, you know? And you still look really cute, you look really chic, you look really put together. And whenever I like picture that shoe, like me wearing that shoe, I always picture like cute pair of jeans or just like some cute like trousers in general, like just cute like little high-waisted trousers or jeans and just nice top like or a t-shirt, and you throw on those loafers and you just have the cutest little messy hair bun day and your Starbucks coffee. On to my favorite, which is bags. I love a good handbag. I feel like purses say so much about a woman, you know, just as much. The first bag, obviously, I said I'm obsessed with Chanel. So obviously my first pick would be a classic quilted flapped Chanel bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. That bag is just stunning. And although I would get a black one, like I said, I like to keep a more neutral based wardrobe anyways. So I just feel like the black bag is just essential, you know? So that would be my first pick as far as like building your classic bag collection. That brings me to my second my second bag that I would add in, and that would actually be a red Chanel bag. Because a lot of what I wear is black and white. I love black and white. Black and white is just everything to me. And I feel like it's so, I'm wearing black and white right now. And I love popping black and white with red. So red lips, red nails. I think it just instantly elevates your style, makes you look elegant, makes you look luxurious, makes you look very classy. So adding in a pop of color with a red Chanel bag, although very bold and such a statement piece, I feel like it's also sort of a neutral when it comes to a Chanel bag, no? Like it's kind of the first color that I think of actually, even before the black one. I think of a red, classic red Chanel bag. I don't know why, like ever since I was younger, that was always like the one thing that I wanted was a red Chanel quilted classic flat bag. I just absolutely think that bag is just stunning. And like I said, you pop it on with like a black and white outfit, like what I'm wearing right now. I could pop it on with this outfit and it would just be so cute. You know what I'm saying? Like it would just be everything. So I actually consider the red Chanel bag as sort of a classic neutral, if you will, for Chanel. I don't know why, but it's just something that my eye just gravitates towards. And like I said, you can, most of my outfits are black and white, or some sort of neutral color anyways. It could even, red even goes with like nude, like you could wear with like a nude bodysuit and some jeans and it would just be really cute. So I feel like that red Chanel bag is a staple in building your classic bag collection. So again, my third staple bag, I feel like some people have thought it to be a little grandma-ish, but it is coming back in style. It's making its way back around now. It has been back in style for like a little while now. And it is the Lady Dior bag. And you guys know that it comes in different sizes. I think you have nano mini, they have mini, and then they have like the bigger one. I think they have a medium size one. Sorry, this is irritating. They have like the bigger size one. So this is, I would actually get this bag in there's this color that I've been looking online everywhere for and that I've only seen once, and I don't know why. If I Google it, it comes up, but I only see one and I don't see any other ones, but it's like this blushy sort of nude kind of color. So it's like a pink, but it's not, it's like a rosy kind of color, but it almost looks nude too. Like it almost looks like a nude. I consider rose or like mauve colors a nude anyways, but absolutely beautiful bag. I think it's essential. I think it goes with everything. I think it just looks so elegant. It's such an elegant bag, such a ladylike bag. I guess that's why it's called Lady Dior. But it's so absolutely stunning, and I am obsessed with that bag. I need that bag. Okay, so my fourth bag pick would actually be there's this Gucci bag. I don't know what it's called. Insert picture of. But it's a Gucci bag that has this ribbon on it that is just stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. And I think I love it because it has that classic Gucci bow on it. And I think it's just such a cute bag. I actually don't know if I would get this bag in black or white. It's not really white, it's kind of like a cream colored. I actually lean more towards the white one. I don't know why, especially for like summer. But I feel like the black one would definitely also be a staple in like fall, winter. But for some reason, when I think of this bag, I definitely think of it in white. So I would definitely probably aim for the like white creamy colored one. But I think this bag is just absolutely gorgeous and a classic, and again, just everything that I love with the bow on it. And it's just so dainty and so feminine of a purse, you know, just super cute. My fifth and final bag that I love and I'm sort of obsessed with is actually the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which is kind of basic. When I think of luxury bags, my mind instantly goes to Louis Vuitton actually. And when I think of more affordable luxury bags, I guess I should say, my mind goes to Louis Vuitton because obviously it's still a luxury brand, but I for some reason feel like it's more of an affordable luxury brand. But I think that the classic Neverfull is just so cute, and I like it in the classic kind of color, the classic brown monogram color. And I think it would be so cute to get it. I like the monogram with like the pink stripe and the initials on it. So young feeling, but so adorable in my opinion. I think it's really cute and sort of preppy, and I am obsessed. I think it's just the perfect bag. Like when I talk about like, you know, those outfits that you just want to like throw on when you just want to run wear really quick, but you don't want to look too done up. That would be my fifth and final pick for bags. So that is it for my luxury must-haves for building a nice shoe and bag collection. I absolutely love these pieces. I wish I could afford these pieces. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What are some luxury brands that you guys really want? What's on your wish list? And also, please, there's a gnat in here. I'm so sorry. I keep swinging because it's in my way, and I think it likes the light that is shining right above me. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. Please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever one you choose. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.